Hey everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law classes. In this video today, I am going to discuss 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. These words will not only help you in solving reading comprehension because the passage consists of lot of vocabulary, they are alien to you, they may be alien to you, and you need to know the meaning to exactly understand and decipher the meaning of the passage. At the same time, these words will also help you in OLET examination, such questions which are based upon synonyms, antonyms, and word substitution. So let's get started. The first word in the list is espionage. This means the obtaining of the information considered secret or confidential. So you might have heard the term spy in the Hindi movies, right? So spying, undercover officer, work surveillance, right? Spionage is a secret way of finding out what your enemy doesn't want you to know. So spionage means किसी कंट्री में या कहीं जाकर उसके सीक्रेट इंफॉर्मेशन को निकलवाना. The next word in the list is restive. Restive looks like rest, but it is just opposite of rest, right? Restive is restless, feeling bored or impatient while waiting for something to happen or change. So restless, edgy, on edge, tense, uneasy. Sentences: after just a week of summer vacation, the kids were bored and restive, demanding new things to do. So whenever you are uncomfortable, whenever you're bored, you become restive, right? So restless and restive both are same. The next word in the list is accolade. Accolade is an award that is given to someone, right? An award or privilege granted as a special honor or an acknowledgement of a merit. So acknowledged can be substituted with honor, recognition, privilege, award, gift, and title. The next word in the list is हार्बिंजर. हार्बिंजर इज अ साइन, राइट? जैसे कि अगर बसंत की ऋतु आती है तो उसका साइन क्या है कि पौधों में, पेड़ों में नई पत्तियां आती हैं. सो दैट इज अ हार्बिंजर. सो अ पर्सन और थिंग, यहाँ पे हमने थिंग की बातें करी. पर्सन में भी कि कोई व्यक्ति है, कोई छोटा बच्चा है जो पहले से ही घर में आके बता दे कि पापा आ गए, राइट? सो एवरीबडी इज अलर्ट नाउ. सो that person will also called harbinger. So a person or thing that announces or signals the approach of another, right? Sign, indicator, signal. A number of people view as a black cat as a harbinger of bad luck. आपने देखा होगा कि जब काली बिल्ली रास्ता काट देती है तो ज्यादातर लोग वहां पे रुक जाते हैं because they consider it as an ominous event, जो कि अमंगल इवेंट है और उससे कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा. That is the sign, right? So that is why people stop. Next is restraint. Restraint is self-control. Let's say you are so foodie, but now you got to know that eating fast food can be injurious to health. Now you have restrained yourself. So self-control करना और self-disciplined हो जाना, that is restraint. Next is trepidation. Trepidation is just similar as apprehension. किसी चीज के होने का डर. That is not in favor of you. So a nervous or fearful feeling. Apprehension, dread, fearful. He sat in the waiting room full of trepidation. So trepidation is किसी चीज के गलत होने की आशंका, right? The next word is imperturbable. What you need to do is try to recognize the root word in any word if it is a big one, right? Usually the words are not that bigger. Here you can see there is a prefix that is im. Im generally refers to something negative, right? Like impatient, imperturbable. And then able is a suffix. So here it's a suffix, here it is a prefix. So removing prefix and suffix, you find the root word of a word. So if you understand the root word, the other two will be as a substitute to understand whether this word leads to a negative or positive. So let's understand the meaning of perturb. So perturb is somebody who is like nervous, hesitated, or disturbed, right? So imperturbable means somebody who cannot be disturbed, like nonchalant, right? So not disturbed or excited easily. So someone who doesn't respond to happiness, excitement, or sadness, nervousness, they are like calm. So that person is imperturbable. Self-possessed, composed, collected, calm, cool, calm. These are some of the synonym for the word imperturbable. The imperturbable spy refused to give out secret information during his interrogation, right? So imperturbable. The next word in the list is inevitable. So inevitable means something that cannot be escapable, जहां से निकला ना जा सके, and something that is unavoidable, जिसे टाला नहीं जा सके, right? Certain to happen or unavoidable, जो चीज होना ही होना है, that is inevitable. Unavoidable, inescapable, bound to happen, sure to happen, unpreventable. So the word prevent is to रोकना, and unpreventable means जिसे रोका ना जा सके. So this is what I was talking about, the finding the keyword for finding the root word of a word. So prevent is to stop, unpreventable means something that cannot be stopped. The next word in the list is unassailable. Again, try to find the keyword here. Assail is something that can be attacked on and can be conquered. Here unassailable is that is unable to be attacked, जिस पर अटैक ना किया जा सके, and question जिसके कैरेक्टर पे, जिसके इंटेग्रिटी पे सवाल ना उठाया जा सके, or defeated, right? So this word, this prefix made this word in a positive manner, whether it is a negative ones, right? So impregnable, invulnerable, impenetrable, and inviolable. So you might have seen those big mentions of previous age, like बड़े बड़े महल हुआ करते थे, उसको एकदम unassailable बनाया जाता था, जिससे कि शत्रु उस पे विजय ना प्राप्त कर सके. The last word in the list is preponderance. Preponderance means having hegemony of something, right? The quality or fact of being greater in number, quality or importance. So कोई चीज जिसका अधिपत्य ज्यादा हो, right? That is preponderance, जिसका प्रभाव ज्यादा हो. So prevalence, predominance. So with this word you can understand the exact meaning of this word preponderance, that is predominance, जिसका पहले से ही dominance हो, right? Dominance. With such a preponderance of evidence, the jury will most likely to find the defendant guilty, right? So कोई ऐसा evidence है जो guilty proof करता है defendant को. Alright, so these were the 10 words in the list today. I hope you have understood all the words discussed here and you have also made a note at the same time. Do follow us on various social media networks and platforms to be updated with legal news and latest dates. All the very best.